Bhramari Pranayama. Because of the resemblance of the humming sound produced in this pranayama to that of a bumblebee, it is known as Bhramari Pranayama. This pranayama holds significant importance in the journey of spiritual progress. The simpler it is, the more effective it becomes, aiding in the attainment of deep meditative states. Procedure to do. Sit in the Padmasana posture with a straight waist and neck. Softly close your eyes. Place the thumbs of both hands in your ears. Gently position the first two fingers on your eyes and let the next two fingers rest on your mouth. Gradually and slowly inhale deeply through the nostrils. As you exhale through the nostrils, create a humming noise. This completes one cycle. Gradually increase the repetitions. With practice, you can intensify the humming process by holding your breath for a few moments after each cycle, ensuring that outer kamhaka is half the duration of inner kamhaka. Sit quietly and progressively elevate the repetitions. Remember, focus your concentration on the rhythmic humming sound. Ensure that the hum maintains a consistent rhythm. At the conclusion of the final repetition, remove your thumbs from your ears before inhaling. Advantages: rapid concentration of the mind. Prana becomes extended and refined. With practice, various sounds are heard, ultimately leading to the experience of Brahmanad. Highly supportive in achieving the state of samadhi. Purifies and guides the upward movement of semen. Strengthens the vocal cords and enhances the sweetness of speech. Purifies blood and marrow fibers. The vibrations from the humming sound affect all parts of the brain. It aids in the alleviation of brain-related conditions like insomnia and epilepsy.